Good morning, Clay.Thompson here, Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a fresh pre-owned 2019 Eclipse Attitude. This is the 3016 GS. Had it about 6 months from when they purchased, and they've used it twice, and now we get it back. So very pleased to have it back. Wished I had about 20 of them. Come on inside, let me show you. Just the way they brought it in. Haven't cleaned it or done anything to it yet, but it's got the white solid surface countertops, the nice inlet here for the kitchen, couch, refrigerator, pantry slide out, the large big screen Jensen TV there with the two great big windows in the living area, nice freestanding swivel rocking chairs. There's a little table that goes in between these two. Again, lots of view out the windows. This one has the rear couch in place of the opposing dinette. Some people really like that. It is a nice feature if we like watching TV in this floor plan, because you have better accessibility watching the TV. Overhead bunk, lots of cabinetry throughout. It's got the rear screen wall. Has the patio kit, another large TV here above that's on a pull-out that will pull out and pivot. Another couch here. This one is a little bit different. It has a table that goes in front of this couch and a table that goes in front of this couch and the little table that goes between the two chairs. So it's got plenty of seating area. Lots of cabinet area in the kitchen as well. Big pull-out pantry. Nice big 3-burner cooktop. The big oven here. Storage down below. A gen switch right here in the kitchen area. Bank of drawers. Full-size residential microwave convection. It's got the LED lights. Lights up here. More cabinetry. Very well maintained, just needs a wipe down, and it's darn near like a new one. Got the corner cabinets. Does have the kicker stereo system upgrade. Pass-through bathroom with the porcelain toilet. Cabinets in the bathroom that make it real nice with a couple of drawers. Heat vent, AC vent in the roof. This one's going to have the Centurion package as well, so that gets us the solid surface countertop in the bathroom and the vessel sink. Nice corner glass shower. Pass through into the bedroom with the queen bed. Overhead lighting, overhead cabinetry. This has the second slide, so we have the wardrobe slide that goes out in the bedroom. Does have the 5500 watt gen, so we also have 2 air conditioners. Another TV in the bedroom, so this particular model and trailer has 3 televisions. And it has the 160 watt solar on the roof as well. So as we pass around through here, you can see all the cabinetry next to the bed as well, coming out through the side aisle. This one has the frameless windows as well. It is a triple axle, so that's nice, gives you lots of weight carrying capacity. Weighs about 10.1 empty. Big power awning. It has the awning light strip underneath the awning, as well as the door strip above the door. Gray graphics. Got the rear docking lights. 8-foot patio out the back end when it comes down. Has the optional folding ladder that's on the trailer itself. Gives us access to the roof in case we need to do some maintenance. Fueling station here. Gauge and pump switch here. Fill tank here. Short cord in the back. Very, very nice unit. Outside shower, upgrade to the 10-gallon gas and electric hot water heater. Again, like I said, the bedroom slide. Also has what the option is, the roadside spotlights out the side as well, with the big generator. This comes equipped with 2 batteries. When I sell it, put 2 new batteries in it, fill the propane tanks. Got the power tongue jack up front. Got the nice one-piece end cap on the front end. You know, and big enough to haul all, you know, your toys. You got 16 feet of cargo space to the counter and some, so storage underneath here, which is nice. Got the magnetic catches, so it is new enough that it has a lot of the newer features that you're going to find on the 2019 year product. That about wraps it up here in this used pre-owned 2019 Attitude that we have here in stock. If you want to know some more details on it, price and whatnot, make sure you contact me, Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center, and I will get you the right deal on this trailer so the family can go out and start having some fun sooner than later. Make sure you contact me direct. It's 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.